I'm here to show you how to connect with your provider using a MyChart video visit. You may have scheduled a video visit appointment. Keep in mind that there might be differences between healthcare providers, including whether video visits are offered. Always trust the instructions you receive from your care team when seeking virtual care. I'll show you the workflow through the mobile app, but the steps on the website will be the same. Let's say you have a video visit scheduled for today. It will appear with your other appointments here. Notice the video camera icon, indicating that this is a video visit. Before your appointment begins, you'll complete e-check-in. You also have the opportunity to update your current medications. I'll add ibuprofen. Next, you'll likely be asked a series of questions required by your healthcare provider. I won't demonstrate answering all of the questions, I'll just show you the first few. Once the questionnaire is complete, you might have to read and sign a consent form. Now it's time to submit. The information is on file. I'll close e-check-in. You can connect to your video visit before your appointment time to test your equipment. I'll select it and choose Begin Visit. If you are connecting to your video visit using a mobile device, you may be prompted to choose a method to connect your video and audio. Be sure to allow for both. Your provider also connects to conduct the visit and will guide you through the visit just like they would in person. Thanks for watching!